Hi, in this video I will show you how to perform a factory data reset on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. First of all, I have to warn you that a factory data reset will reset your phone to its default factory settings, which means that all data will be erased from it. So please make sure that you backed up all the information that you need before resetting your phone. Now, if you backed up all the necessary information and you are ready to proceed, swipe down from the top of the screen and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Then tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap Reset. If you have a secure lock method set up, you will need to enter it now. It could be a PIN code or password or pattern. Then tap Next. And finally, tap Delete All. If you have added a Samsung account, you will need to confirm your password. That's the final step. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.